Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment gateways in Shopify. So open Shopify and log into your account, then access the store. So on your dashboard, make sure your payment system is fully set up so customers can actually pay when they check out. So go to your payment setting. On the bottom left corner, click settings. After that, select payment. So this is where you'll see all of your available payment options. Okay, let's go ahead by checking all the providers. Here, Shopify will show you different payment processors available in your region. For most users, Shopify Payments is the best choice because it's simple and usually has the lowest transaction fee. If Shopify Payment isn't available for your country, you can choose from the other payment providers like Payoneer, Paymok, Tap Payments, and many more. If you're looking for a certain payment option like Klarna, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or etc., click the Add Payment Method right here. So search for the payment method you want, for example, Klarna. Shopify will show you all the providers that support that payment type. Choose the provider that fits your needs, for example, this one. Then click Install to integrate it into your store. After clicking Install, a new tab will open and you'll have to click Install again. On this page, you'll set up your account, either a test account or a live account. Create or log into your account. Follow the steps and complete the setup to connect the payment provider to your Shopify. Now let's go back to the Shopify Payments section. If Shopify Payments is available in your region but not showing, you may need to update your store address by going to the settings and changing your address to the country where Shopify Payments is supported. After saving, go back to the Payments section, and you should now see that Shopify Payments has an option. You're going to have to activate that or click the Activate here. Choose your business type and fill in the required details and finish the setup. Additionally, under the supported payment methods, you'll have to activate PayPal. In this part, you'll have to wait for the security check, then connect your PayPal account. PayPal is one of the fastest ways to start accepting payments on Shopify. Once everything is activated, go to your Shopify store and try checking out a product. Click the Pay with PayPal to check if the payment option at PayPal appears correctly. So in this part, they'll have to log into their PayPal in order to purchase the item. This helps ensure your customers won't have issues during checkout. Additionally, Shopify's pricing affects your transaction rates. For the basic plan, they have the 2% card rate. For the Grow plan, 1%, and the Advanced plan, they have a 0.6%. If your store is growing, upgrading can help reduce this fees in the long run. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.